Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oka Love Like. Y'all know how we do. We're gonna jump right on into it. So today's breakfast is on repeat from yesterday. I just heated me up some bacon in the microwave. I put 4 pieces of bacon on a plate, heated up to about 4 to 5 minutes or 5 to 6 minutes depending on your microwave. I scrambled me some eggs. I didn't show you guys the process of me scrambling the eggs today because I just had this breakfast, but I seasoned my eggs with Italian seasoning, parsley and garlic powder and a little bit of red pepper flakes. And I'm going to take me a shot this morning. We're going to take a shot of this beetroot powder. So I'm just going to take a shot of this and I'm going to drink a full glass of water with my breakfast as well. And this is what it looks like. So moving on, you guys, this right here, this bubbly peach mango, this is the best one. Very best one I have had. And I get these from Dollar Tree, y'all. Dollar Tree. I told y'all, don't sleep on DT. Moving on to lunch, you guys, we are just going to saute us up some shrimp. You put about a tablespoon of avocado oil in there. We're going to season it with Old Bay seasoning, red pepper flakes, and Italian seasoning. We're also going to put a little bit of oregano on there. We're going to let our shrimp cook until they are completely pink, and then we're going to take them out. And y'all wait until y'all see what I got for y'all today. Oh yes, here we go. It's salad. It's salad. It's salad time. It's salad. You guys, we are going to take a heaping handful of spring mix. I had also, as you can see in the back, chopped up some olives, tomatoes, some red pepper, yellow pepper, and onion. We are going to season our salad with Italian seasoning, oregano, red pepper flakes, garlic, and onion powder. And then we are going to put our hands up in there and break it up and give it some love. Go ahead, y'all. Get on into this and I'll come back. So I realized, y'all, I need a little bit more spring mix. So I just grabbed another handful and put that thing on top of there. This is my favorite kind of greenery mix, y'all. I love it. What is wrong with me today, y'all? Oh my gosh.
Tell me that I'm wasting time. Tell me something I don't know. You left fingerprints across my mind. I try covering them, but they still show. If I had a choice in whether or not, I'd be moved on from you by now. If I had a voice or a shot.
Y'all, before me and Feta became friends, I used to top this salad with like a Parmesan cheese or like a Mexican blend cheese. No, this thing is delicious with feta cheese. So this is what you see me putting on there, feta cheese. I'm just crumbling it up, and this is just regular feta cheese. Oh my gosh, y'all. So good. And y'all know my dressing I use is Thousand Island, but you can use whatever dressing you want. I like my salad to be of all the things: sweet, savory, bitter, spicy, just all of the good things. And this is how I achieve that. This salad is so delicious. Y'all know this is my favorite kind of salad to make. You can use grilled chicken, you can use steak, you can use, I wouldn't say salmon or salmon, I don't know about that one. All right, you guys, so moving on to dinner. I have not made this in a while. This is just going to be some air fried pizza. I am using these whole wheat flakes and oat bran. I get these from Aldi's, and they're only 7 net carbs. So what I do, because it's a pita bread, I just take a fork and just kind of poke holes all through it. That way it doesn't rise. And I also, instead of using tomato sauce, I like to use garlic butter because y'all know me and garlic butter, we is a thing, and that's what it is, okay? We trust in each other capabilities, so I like to use garlic butter. So I melt a little bit of butter, about 2 tablespoons, and I use garlic powder and parsley and Italian seasoning, and then I just pour it onto the pita with a spoon and kind of spread it out. And then I put about almost a half a cup of mozzarella cheese on top of it, pop it in the air fryer on 375. I do mine for about 8 minutes, but you can do yours until the cheese is melted to your liking. It's no right or wrong way to cook this pizza. Just as long as that cheese is melted, you are all good to go. Sometimes, y'all, I even top this with like pepperoni. I do chicken sometimes. I do broccoli and chicken. That's a really good one. Y'all, it's so many ways you can do this. You can make it a veggie one. Y'all got, listen, you have options over here.
Letting you go, putting you down. You know I would, but still I miss you. And it's hard, cause my heart doesn't want to. No, I know that it's no good, and I should never look back. No, I keep thinking about the good times. Memories are like songs. I keep hitting rewind, rewind.
All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like, and I just cut it up into 6 pieces. Y'all, this pizza is so easy to make and is really filling. I guess because of the wheat and the flax, the oat bran, it is really filling and is so easy. Look at this, y'all. Easy peasy. So for snack, you guys, I just put me some pistachios in the bag. It's not a full bag of it. It's just a little bit. So that is going to be my snack. So today was 1,305 calories. It was 21 net carbs. Total carbs was 29 grams. Y'all get into this. These were all really good meals and easy. You see how easy it was to cook these? Like, come on. Easy peasy. Now, y'all, we are going to do a meal prep. So we're going to do our 3-day meal prep, y'all. So I got these chicken thighs from Aldi's. You see they was only $5.50. Because these are like half of a chicken thigh. They took the bone out and all that. So listen, I'm okay with that though. So we're just going to season it with the kicking chicken. And we're also going to season it with Cajun seasoning, paprika, a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano. We're going to mix this together, put it in the air fryer on 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Not many people I can say that I trust. Always been like this, don't give away that much. But somehow I gave it all to you. I keep my cards.
Now, while our chicken is in the air fryer, we are just going to season up our salmon, or whichever way you like to call it. We're going to season that and stick it in the fridge until our chicken is done cooking in the air fryer, because we're going to pop these in the air fryer too. The only thing we cooking on the stove today is that fried cauli rice, and that is it. So I'm just going to start off by basting it with avocado oil. Then I'm going to season it with Old Bay seasoning, a little bit of paprika, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and a little bit of parsley. We're going to season it on both sides. Then once we pop this in the air fryer, we're going to put this one on 375 for the first 8 minutes, and then we're going to turn it up to 400 for the next 4 minutes. So go ahead, y'all, get back on into it, and I'll come back.
Takes me time to relax, I confess. But somehow I gave it all to you. I complicated.
All right, y'all, while our meat is cooking, we are just going to start chopping up our veggies for our fried cauli rice. I'm going to use 1 small purple onion, about 1/4 of a green pepper, and I'm going to use a couple of the little tricolor peppers. And I'm also going to chop up about 2 garlic cloves. You might as well call us chopper today, because we are chopping it up, okay? So the thing that I do like about the 3-day meal prep that I do is not overwhelming to prep all of this. Like, yes, you spend a good amount of time prepping it, but then you don't have to cook for the next 3 days. You don't have to think about what I'm going to eat. Oh my goodness, I have to go in the house and now I have to cook dinner. Like, you don't have to think about none of that. And the other thing too is that by the time you start to get tired of your meals that you have prepped, it's now time to make new ones. So I think like that's why it works so well for me, because I will get tired of eating the same thing like days in a row. Now I eat the same thing over and over but not days in a row. So that is what makes the difference for me. So by my third day, I'm like, okay, it's time to eat something different. And guess what? It is actually time to eat something different versus 5 to 7 day meal prep. Y'all get what I'm saying. All right, y'all, so we're going to put everything in the pan with some oil, and then we are going to season it with Italian seasoning, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, red pepper flakes, you know, the OGs. We're going to season it with all of that goodness, and then we're going to mix it well. Once it cook a little bit where everything is starting to get softened, we are going to add liquid aminos, which is a substitute for soy sauce. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all hear me out of breath because I just ran up the steps. And y'all also probably hear some noise in the background because, of course, BG&E is tearing up everybody concrete. So they are just like being ridiculous. That's a whole nother story. Anyway, though, so we're going to put the liquid aminos, and then once it's done to our liking, we're going to add 2 eggs. Go ahead, y'all. Get on into it, and I'll come back.
Situation, build up a storm with anxiety. Once you came into the equation, I became the best guy to me. Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know we're both getting older. We don't got time to lose. It feels right when you hold me. I'm just a little less lonely. Sounds cliche, but it's true. I've been missing someone like you.
And now this is what I call my dirty fried cauli rice. Look at that, y'all. It be so good. So for our breakfast for these 3 days, we are just going to be doing us some toasted keto bread with cream cheese and some bacon. And then this is what our lunch or dinner looks like. Look at this, y'all. I did steam a bag of broccoli and just added a tablespoon of butter and mixed it up with some salt and pepper. And we put it in there. So as you can see, it's in some of them and some of them is not. Listen, that's okay. For our drinks, we are going to be drinking on these little packets, the 0 sugar packets. I don't drink those too much. So I thought I'll just, put them in there since I haven't had it in a while. And for our snack, we are going to have the string cheese and the pickles. And get on into it, y'all. 3-day meal prep. All right, you guys, so I wanted to show you what breakfast will look like for these next 3 days. Since I'm off these 3 days in a row, I can take my time and make this breakfast. Now, I don't know if y'all realize, y'all see how I made that cream cheese split into 3, because if I don't, y'all, I would just keep smacking cream cheese on my stuff. I love cheese. Like, this is ridiculous. But anyway, you guys, I'm just going to toast my keto bread. I'm going to add cream cheese, spring mix, these cut up tomatoes, my bacon, and a little bit of feta cheese. This breakfast right here was so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, I also added the everything bagel seasoning on top of the cream cheese. Just a little bit though, because we have salt in the bacon. You don't want to make your stuff too salty. And sometimes everything bagel seasoning can be really salty. Let me tell y'all though, if you don't try no other type of toasted bread, this was so good. You know how BLT tastes? Y'all know how I feel about my BLT. Just at this time, I don't know what it was. I don't know why it was so good. But this is definitely going to be on repeat. Now, I also had my coffee, so I just brewed a cup of coffee, and I'm going to be using almond milk for 1 whole cup, you guys. It's only 1 carb and 30 calories. I'm not going to use a whole cup. I probably use about maybe 5 ounces of it, and I just added ice. So after I do that, I also top it with a little bit of sugar-free cinnamon roll creamer. Oh my gosh. And y'all going to see a whole bunch of drinks, because this is what I do in the morning. I make a whole bunch of drinks because I put my coffee eventually in my to-go cup, because I drink my coffee all day long. I drink 1 cup of coffee, y'all, all day long. Don't ask me why I do that, but I drink it all day long. And I make sure I get me a cup of water in the morning, and I also took a shot of beetroot powder. I just wanted to show you guys what breakfast will look like, because I know I just had the bread on there with the bacon, but this is what it looks like, y'all. All right, you guys, so now here is what lunch or dinner will look like. All right, you guys, so the day would be 1,389 calories, and it is 20 net carbs. Total carbs was 38 grams. That is going to be the end of this video, you guys. If you are new here and you stayed this long, please consider subscribing. To my OGs who keep coming back, thank you so much for your love and support. You guys know how I feel about you. I greatly appreciate it. Everyone, if you have liked any part of this video, if this have given you any type of idea of what to make and what to eat and what to enjoy, please give this video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate you guys. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me, and as always, I thank you for watching.